So this is the Omni near Yale, New Haven. And this is a suite that we're staying in. We've already stayed one night, but I wanted to just do a little walkthrough since I couldn't find one online myself, so I thought maybe other people might find it helpful. So this is the main room. It's just kind of a basic, I think it's a basic room. So here's the front door, when you walk in, and you have a closet. You've already got some clothes in there, and there's a robe. And then on the other side is your ironing board and your iron. And then to the right of that is the bathroom. Pretty small bathroom. It's bright, which is nice. It's your toilet. You have a nice long mirror in the back here, which is nice. And nice shower head, really good water pressure at that shower head. It's nice. And there you go. But yeah, very small, not a lot of counter space. And your products, you have these Nest attached to the wall products for the bath. All right, and you come out, and this is the main bedroom. Like I said, I think this is just like a standard room, and to get a suite, you just have this attached suite room, which we'll go in a minute. But it comes with a desk, and it comes with, don't mind the baby stuff, we've got monitors and we've got all this baby stuff, but TV in here. And inside this, we actually have a little mini fridge and the coffee maker. And we asked them to bring a fridge up because I wasn't sure if they actually had a fridge in the room, and they brought us one, which was very nice, but now we have two fridges. That is a chair, lights, nice big bed. I think it's king size. It was really comfortable, a little bit firm, but really comfortable. And let's see if we can see outside. This is out the window. No balcony, but we have, I think, a Yale view because Yale's right over there. So pretty cool. I will say we're on the 16th floor, and you could hear street traffic during the evening. I think college kids, you know, being loud, but it wasn't horrible. So here's the other room. So we walked in over here, and then this is the door, and walking into the other room. It's a little dark in here. We actually had some issues with one of the lights and the power outlets, so this light is not plugged in right now. We will be talking to them about that, but let's see here. The stuffed animals, that's my son's. And also this thing right here, slumber pod, amazing. So this is where my son slept last night. But it's a pretty big room. It's like a sitting room. You've got a couch over here. Really nice. Let's see if that's I'm not sure if that's a pull-out couch or not. Yeah, looks like it's a pull-out bed in there. So that's nice. And then we have TV, a little vanity type thing, or whatever this is, dresser. And there's, I think their coffee maker was down there. We actually moved, it's an espresso coffee maker. We moved that to like the bathroom for some reason, so we can make coffee in the other room. But it has an espresso maker. Here's some curtains. Another Yale view here. Really nice view. Nice little chair. All right, so here again is the desk. And just so you can kind of know, that's the adjoining room. And walking over here, so there are actually two doors. So it's almost like they put two standard rooms together. So there's two separate doors you can go in, which is kind of nice if you have a kid and you want to leave during his nap or something, which we might do. Well, one of us would leave during his nap. So that's nice. Let's see here. This is a little, it's really dark over here. Let's see if you can see that. Kind of some extra pillows. I think there's a robe. Looks good. And then here's the second bathroom. So there's two bathrooms, and it's a toilet. You know, very standard. This one actually I think almost feels a little bit bigger than the other bathroom, but that could just be my imagination. And yeah, the same shower head, pretty nice. And then this also has a full-length mirror right across from the toilet. A little bit weird, but that's all right. All right, so let me just walk through again. So here's that front door for the like suite en suite room. And then you walk in, a piece of art. And then this is the room, couch, TV, desk. And then come over here to the right, adjoining suite. We have our king size bed, chair, TV, desk. And then over here, front door, and we have the closet, the bathroom, again. And that is the whole room tour. Hope you all enjoyed it. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.